You ever wondered how much stuff actually costs in Bali? Well, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how much accommodation is, bikes, haircuts, every bit of information you need to know before you come to Bali is going to be in this video. So make sure you watch till the end. So you can't talk about Canggu without talking about cafes and restaurants. Now it's a #1 hotspot in the world for these. You'll find an abundance of them, but I'm just going to give you a general. Now for a coffee you're going to pay about 25 to 35k, and for a good breakfast between 40 and 60. Now this is our #1 hotspot. It's called Crate Cafe, so if you come in, make sure you check it out. So guys, regarding SIM cards, don't get them at the airport. Just wait until you get into Canggu or wherever you're staying, and there's loads and loads of places around. Now the best provider to go with is Telkomsel. This is it here. You get a really good app on your phone, so it tells you how much gig and that you've got, and about 25 gig costs you 170k, so it's really cheap. That'll last you a month pretty much. Wi-Fi also, all your accommodation. The Wi-Fi in general Bali is unbelievable, so you haven't got to worry about that. So if you're at your accommodation, use your Wi-Fi, but if you're out and about, then you've got your data on your phone. So accommodation, probably one of the biggest expenses you'll have when you come to Canggu. Now we're staying right in the heart of it all where all the restaurants, all the cafes are, and we're paying 250k a night. Now we're staying in a lovely little place, got a real nice swimming pool, and as I say, it's really close to the centre. Now if you're staying for longer than a month, you can get great rates. I've had a few friends that stayed in this same accommodation and they paid like 2 million for a month. So if you work that out per day, it's really cheap. But so haircuts, I got my hair done here the other day, one of the best barbers around, and it cost me 100k, 135k if you want your beard done. Now you can obviously get cheaper, you can get more expensive, but this place, top notch, and you'll roughly pay about 100k for a decent haircut. So with laundry, you have got to be pretty careful. I really advise that you go onto Google and look at what ones have been recommended, which ones have got 4 stars, 5 stars, because there are some dodgy ones out here. I'll link this one in the description below, but this is top notch. If you just want your stuff ironed, it's 8k. 1 kilo is 15k for 24-hour clean, and for 35k you can get an express clean. So this place is top notch, so definitely check it out, link in the description below. So as far as getting money out and cash machines, I recommend getting the Sterling bank card. You get a really good app, get the best exchange rate of whatever country you're in. It's a MasterCard, it's the best card to get, so definitely recommend Sterling bank card. Guys, like for breakfast, there are thousands and thousands of restaurants you can have in Canggu, but tonight we've come to one of the best sushi restaurants there is, and it's just cost us 280k. Now that is dirt cheap for the quality of sushi. I'll put the link in the description below, but definitely check this sushi place out. So when it comes to renting a motorbike, you do get a lot cheaper discount if you do rent for a month. Them prices can vary from 1.5 million to 2 million for a month, but I'm just going to give you the price per day. Now for a smaller bike, which is about 125cc, you're going to be paying about 70 to 90k per day. But if you want the famous NMAX, which that's what I have, and it's the best bike you can get, you're going to pay about 120 to 150 per day. But like I said, you can get some good deals if you do it monthly. I was paying 2 million for 1 month, so they do like long-term deals, but these are just the day rates. So let's talk about apps. There's 3 main apps you want when you come to Canggu. #1, WhatsApp. Everyone uses it. They don't send emails, phone calls, it's all about WhatsApp. #2, Grab. Now Grab, you can get anything delivered. If you want an apple, someone will go and get it for you and bring it to your accommodation. Get takeaways on it, you can get anything on it. The next one, Gojek. Now taxis are really cheap, and you can even get on the back of bikes. If you're coming from the airport, you should be paying 100k to Canggu. I've heard people paying 300, 400, 500k. Download Gojek. It's the best app you can use in Canggu. So guys, as well, I just thought I'd throw in a really good dessert place. Now, once again, there's hundreds of these over Canggu. They're 4 cinnamon buns for 120k, so good value, and you can get them delivered by Gojek, so top place to come. I'm also going to let you into a little secret. Now, it's called the Canggu Shortcut. Now, it's the most famous shortcut in the world, and up to about 2 months ago, it was the worst road ever. But now they've just tarmacked it, and it's top notch. But it links you from 2 sides of the street, so the 2 busiest sides in Canggu, it links you rather than going right to the top of the road through all the traffic. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it gives you all the information you need. If there's anything else you want to know, just leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram @PackingForPlaces, and we will see you in the next one.